Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting to do outros for my videos. But as we are starting with the eyes, we're going to use this concealer as a primer, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome Concealer in the shade Light. And again, I apologize for not having an intro. I've been everywhere lately, and as you guys can hear my voice, I am pretty sick, so sorry about that too. Next, I'm going to be using the Airspun powder to set the concealer on my eyes before putting eyeshadow. And for this look, we're going to be using this palette from Morphe, the 3503 palette. And I actually don't have the paper of the names of the shades, but I'm going to be using that little brownish color as a transition and just blend it out on my crease. As you guys can see, I keep switching brushes. The brushes that I'm using are from Morphe Eye Babe brush set. I've talked about this on my videos. I'm pretty much always use the same ones. And now I'm just gonna go with that dark brown shade on the same Morphe palette. This one is kind of like a little more darker. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the eye look, kinda. Now I'm just gonna be cutting up my crease. Nothing new. Oh, by the way, this is not a Morphe brush. This one is actually from Wet n Wild concealer flat brush. This was literally like $1, bitch. Like, it's bomb. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this blending brush just to kind of blend out at the end of my crease with the eyeshadow so it won't look rough before adding some glitter. By the way, I'm gonna be adding glitter later on the video. So the glitter that I'm using is this one from ColourPop, Build Your Own palette. And I'll be using the Goldie glitter and just kind of like pat it on the side of my eye. I'm not going to go all over the lid, just like a little bit of pop on the side. And as you guys can see, I'm blending it out with eyeshadow just so I can look more like blended and nothing looks rough. Right now, I'm just adding a little bit of eyeshadow on the crease to make it have more definition. Now I'm popping these lashes that are actually from Batty Bee. They are the Batty lashes. I just lost their little case, so I had to put them in a different case. But yeah, just prepping my eyelashes for falsies. It was actually a struggle adding these with my nails on. I was really getting pissed off. Now that I finally added my eyelash on, I'm gonna go ahead and get the James Charles palette and use the Ring Light shade to add it to my brow bone. And that is it for this eye look, guys. I'm just gonna do the next one and yeah, pretty much start with the face. I didn't know how fast this video was going. I can never catch up. But I'm gonna just prime my face with the Baby Skin Primer from Maybelline. You guys already know. And then I'm gonna add some coconut water from Wet n Wild setting spray and just make sure everything is good on my face. For foundation, I'm gonna be mixing this too, which is a BB cream called Locket that I got in my Ipsy bag, and then I'm adding it with the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation in the shade 128. I like mixing this two because one of them has full coverage and the other one is dewy. So like right now that it's cold as fuck, my face actually gets really dry, so I have to use like a dewy foundation. And even though this is a BB cream, it's really like nice and leaves my face really shiny but not oily. But it doesn't have full coverage like the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation. So yeah, pretty much blending it out. Next step is gonna be concealer, and for concealer I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Concealer in the shade Light, and just add it on my dark circles and the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. I don't really like adding a lot on my forehead because I feel like you can see like the difference between the foundation and the concealer, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're just gonna be blending that out. And using the Airspun powder that I used earlier, this is in the shade Naturally Neutral. This one doesn't really leave me flashbacks, so that's why I kind of like it. I think the only one that leaves you flashbacks is the translucent one. But yeah, I'm just gonna be removing it fast because I don't want my face to look really dry. So for bronzer, we're actually gonna be using a new one, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. My dad got me this one for Christmas and I actually love it. And now we're just gonna be cutting my cheeks. You know, you can never ever miss this step. This would do a huge difference on how your contour looks. And now we're gonna be adding blush, which is the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Peachy, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, I kind of broke it, as you guys could see, so sorry. But now we're just gonna be setting our face with the Jeffree Star X Morphe Setting Makeup Spray. And for highlighter, we're gonna be using the Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter in the shade 100, just to give us a glow. And to finish up the eye look, I'm gonna go back to the same eyeshadow that I used on my eye earlier and just kind of smudge it under my waterline and add mascara, which this one is the L'Oreal Paradise mascara in the shade Black is Black. And this one is waterproof, by the way. And now to finish up the eye look, I'm gonna go back to the ring light shade and just pop it on the inner corners of my eyes. For lipsticks, we're gonna be using my two favorite ones at the moment, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Starfish, and to pop up in the middle, we're gonna be using the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Taunt. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy your New Year's Eve. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.